Well, Len, we've been hearing a lot from witnesses, from our reporters who are at the scene, but now we're getting brand new video just into the newsroom. This is video taken from a live stream that appears to be from inside Lakewood Church. The man on camera you're about to see is sharing details in Spanish of a service, giving people what looks like information on a website before you hear what could be gunshots. Take a listen.
Missions.com/2024. Repito.
You see his eyes get real big there right after he hears the initial round of gunshots, then seems to look away from the camera, looking back behind him. As soon as you hear those gunshots, guys, in that video, you see people sort of start to run and flee, apparently down an escalator. That is video we're getting from inside Lakewood Church of the moments right after that shooting unfolded. Now, after these types of incidents, as they unfold, our team starts coving and scanning through scanner traffic, those communications between law enforcement as these scenes unfold in real time. Our producers here have sifted through a lot of that traffic early, and we have a clip to play you of that police response communication between agencies. Take a listen.
I need you.
Where are you at?
Lakewood Church.
Lakewood Church en route.
I need units at Lakewood Church. Active shooters.
Now, two quick thoughts on what we just heard there. If you pay attention, you listen carefully, I'm not sure if you heard it, you hear gunshots in the back of that communication as law enforcement is responding and calling in for backup. You also hear someone, an officer there, saying active shooters, plural. At this point, we should note we are only aware of one official shooter, that information coming from the Harris County Sheriff's Office. But as you guys have mentioned throughout this coverage, this is a Houston Police Department scene. We hope to hear from them in about 9 minutes at 4:30, where they will hold a press conference. Chief Finner, the mayor, and everyone who's responded will be there to brief us